Independence Day program. I would like to request the head girl Adrija Nishka to say a few lines on Independence Day.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate and acknowledge the 75th year of India's National Independence Day. Good morning, respected Director Saran Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, members of the staff, parents and students. Let us today remember the long phase of struggle for independence. On this day, we not only celebrate freedom but we also pay tribute to all the freedom fighters who fought tirelessly and sacrificed their lives for us. On this auspicious occasion, students of IIM Public School pay tribute to all the national heroes and uphold the spirit of independence.
Our country is lavish with the wealth of grains and flowers. In the midst of this is a land that is more splendid than all other lands. Let us dance with the song Dhana Dhanya Pushpe Bhara.
পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের বসুন্ধরা তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশ এক সকল দেশের সেরা বসে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা
ভাইয়ের মায়ের এত স্নেহ কোথায় গেলে পাবে কেহ
ওমা তোমার চরণ দুটি বক্ষে আমার ধরে আমার এই দেশেতে জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতে মরে ধন ধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের বসুন্ধরা
The history of India tells us everything about how our ancestors fought fiercely and endured the brutal torture under the British Raj. We cannot sit here and imagine how difficult independence was from the British rule. The lives of countless freedom fighters had been sacrificed for decades from 1857 to 1947. The first voice against the British for India's independence was raised by Mangal Pandey, a soldier working in the British Army. Later, many great freedom fighters fought and gave their whole life for freedom. We can never forget the sacrifice of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives fighting at a very young age. Today, we pay our solemn tribute to Veer Savarkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Gandhiji, Sardar Patel, Bhagat Singh, Binay Badul Dinesh. There have been many unsung heroes who have lost their lives in the battle.
Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words. Let us listen to a beautiful recitation by an
Where the Mind is Without Fear by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken off into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches the sounds towards the perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dearly desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Into that haven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Be firm in your faith, be courageous in action. Hold your head high, fear not. Forget all your differences. Let's all march onwards. God is with us. Victory is assured. Our next program is Song by the student of primary section.
হও ধর্মেতে ধীর হও করমেতে বীর হও উন্নতশীল নাহি ভয় ভুলি ভেদা ভেদ জ্ঞান হও সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় হও ধর্মেতে ধীর হও করমেতে বীর হও উন্নতশীল নাহি ভয় নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলানো মহান নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলানো মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উত্থান জগজন মানিবে বিস্ময় জগজন মানিবে বিস্ময় হও ধর্মেতে ধীর হও করমেতে বীর হও উন্নতশীল নাহি ভয় ৩৩ কোটি মোরা নহি কবুক্ষীণ হতে পারি দিন তবু নহি মোরাহীন ৩৩ কোটি মোরা নহি কবুক্ষীণ হতে পারি দিন তবু নহি মোরাহীন ভারতে জন্ম পূর্ণ আসিবে সুদিন ওই দেখো প্রভাত উদয় ওই দেখো প্রভাত উদয় হও ধর্মেতে ধীর হও করমেতে বীর হও উন্নতশীল নাহি ভয় ভুলি ভেদা ভেদ জ্ঞান হও সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় হও ধর্মেতে ধীর হও করমেতে বীর হও উন্নতশীল নাহি ভয় Lakshmi Bai was the queen of Jhansi. She was a freedom fighter who fought with the Britishers to save her motherland. She was brave and fearless. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre is also known as Amritsar Massacre. It took place on 13 April 1919. The British troops fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians, killing several people.
The first flag hosting by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. The tricolor was unfurled at Red Fort above the Lahore Gate on 16th August 1947 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
clothes often and boasts about it.
Okay, what's your problem?
He is deliberately spoiling everyone. Seeing him, even students want to be like him.
Bhagat, if that is what they want, it is their wish. Why do you disturb them?
I just asked Roshan to stop boasting, but he was making fun of the way we dress and our way of life. I was patient till then. Finally, he started revealing our country and our culture as if he was born in Britain.
Then,
I slapped him left and right.
how can you beat him? You don't have any right to.
Mother, if I had not done that, he will become another Britisher and kill others. He is not being brought up as a true Indian by his parents. I have to teach him what India is.
But who are you to teach him?
Mama, I am an Indian and I have the right. If everyone pulls away, who will stand and fight for India? Someone has to teach a lesson to all these Britishers.
Bhagat, you are my life. Don't get into problems like your father and grandfather.
Mother, I am indeed your son. Don't worry.
Bhagat Singh was a revolutionary ahead of his times. By revolution, he meant that the present order of things, which was based on manifesting injustice, must change.
We put our heads on the sword. We have burnt our bodies on the fireball, and after all that, on our heads we have decorated this saffron color. These are the words of a great soldier. Our next program is Dance Tere Mitti Mein Mil Jawa by the students of secondary section.
साथ यही तक था ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राज तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे गीतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Let us listen to a beautiful recitation.
A patriotic poem by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Mother, I bow to thee, rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with thy orchard gleams, cool with thy winds of delight, dark fields waving, mother of might, mother free. Thank you.
Our next program is a song sang by the student of secondary section. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
सोचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Our ancestors have given us a land of peace and happiness. The last 74 years has seen that India becoming self-reliant. Development has occurred in several spheres: science, technology, and even sports.
My country, you are my life. My country, you are my life. So let's dance with this song. देश मेरे, मेरी जान है तू.
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे हम सर कटाने से नहीं डरते, मिटाने से नहीं मिटते।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall treat my parents, teachers and all elders with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now we have come to the end of our Independence Day program. We would like to thank Principal Ma'am, our teachers, parents and all the students for their help and support in putting this program together. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Vande Mataram by our little ones. The meaning is, I bow to thee, mother.